Welcome, everyone. Bezels. It seems like such a small detail, but it's become the most intense battlefield for tech giants today. Rumors of a 1mm bezel on the Xiaomi 16 and a breakthrough in technology for the iPhone 16 Pro Max are causing a stir in the tech world. Can Xiaomi truly surpass Apple? And what does this race really mean for us? Let's find out. To understand this war, we need to look back at history. The bezel was once a necessary component, housing the front-facing camera, earpiece, and various sensors. But consumers demanded larger screens without a bigger device, and so the relentless pursuit of shrinking bezels began. Apple and Xiaomi have taken two very different approaches. Xiaomi is a pioneer, a risk-taker. Remember the original Mi Mix in 2016? It pioneered a three-border bezel-less design, relocating the camera to the bottom and using ceramic and ultrasound technologies to replace traditional components. This shows Xiaomi is willing to take risks and push physical boundaries. In contrast, Apple has traditionally adopted a more methodical, engineering-driven approach. They waited until the iPhone X in 2017 to introduce their first truly bezel-less device, but it was a fully integrated solution with Face ID and a new gesture-based navigation system. Apple prioritizes a polished and functional user experience, even if it means not being first to market. Now, let's look at the present. Unofficial data suggests that iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature a uniform bezel of approximately 1.36 millimeters on all sides. This is a significant reduction from its predecessor. Apple's secret weapon is a proprietary manufacturing process called border reduction structure. This technology bends the internal copper wiring into a more compact package, specifically to minimize the chin at the bottom of the display. But this isn't easy. Reports indicate that heat dissipation proved to be a major issue for bezel reduction. The fact that Apple and its suppliers solved this problem is a testament to their engineering and supply chain prowess. But Xiaomi isn't far behind. While the 1mm bezel is a rumor, it's a very clever strategic maneuver. It positions the Xiaomi 16 as a technological leader months before its release and forces the market to compare the iPhone against Xiaomi's benchmark. A more significant strategic pivot by Xiaomi is a reported return to a flat display for the entire Xiaomi 16 lineup. Why? While curved displays look sleek, they are fragile, prone to accidental touches, and difficult to use with screen protectors. By moving to a flat display, Xiaomi is directly responding to consumer pain points, positioning the Xiaomi 16 as a more practical, durable, and user-friendly flagship. Xiaomi's ace in the hole is rumored to be Low-Injection Pressure Overmoulding, or LIPO technology. LIPO molds a protective polyurethane layer over sensitive components using low pressure and temperature. This isn't just for aesthetics, it's a critical durability countermeasure, fortifying the delicate components that are now at greater risk. Ultra-thin bezels, while visually stunning, introduce a series of practical trade-offs. A common complaint is the issue of accidental touches, where a user's palm unintentionally registers an input on the screen's edge. Some users have even described their phones as horrible to use. Durability is another significant concern. Ultra-thin bezels leave the display's edges more exposed and susceptible to damage from drops. The bezel historically served as a protective shield, absorbing the impact before it reached the display. Both Apple and Xiaomi know this. Manufacturers have had to implement sophisticated touch rejection algorithms to solve this. And Xiaomi's LIPO technology is a direct durability countermeasure to this problem. The battle isn't just about making bezels thinner, it's about solving the problems that come with it. So, who wins? It's too early to say. The bezel race isn't the final goal. It's a proving ground for the future of smartphone design. It paves the way for invisible technologies like under-display cameras and sensors that will eliminate the need for notches entirely. Xiaomi's pragmatic strategy with LIPO and a durable flat screen, along with Apple's meticulous refinement with BRS, are both shaping the future of smartphones. This is a battle of unseen engineering, and we, the users, are the ultimate beneficiaries.